Due to the huge success of this OTF design and variations, I have received many requests to make it into a utility knife. The print is made in PETG-HF to ensure better strength to hold the very common trapezoidal or 18mm snap-off utility blades. This accurate model requires printing using the most reliable filament and printer settings, good as a benchmark testing your machine and filament setup. The latch lever is oriented in a V shape, not an A shape. There are two types of spring cutouts to support different blade holders and springs. Some blade holders allow you to pull out a longer blade, while others only allow you to pull out halfway. Just snap in a trapezoid blade. It takes a little bit of running in to get it working smoothly. Something is wrong? Let's find out. The overhanging portion of the bridge is not perfect. Let's fix it. It works really well. Let's switch to an 18mm snapping blade. There are 3 push-in dowel pins in total. 2 of them are spare. Lie on the table and push this way. Make sure all 3 dowel pins are not protruding. I missed this, which is why you see later on that the blade isn't triggered very well. As mentioned before, the blade trigger doesn't work very well. I think I know the root cause. This is the elephant's foot problem. Great job again. The strength of 3D printed springs is affected over time by shape memory effects and fatigue. Let's convert it with a metal spring upgrade kit. I have a separate video that briefly shows this metal spring upgrade kit. This little spring is available from the Bambu store. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me. See you in the next video.